Hey there. Most of you know me as Ryan K, but my actual name is Ryan Kohler. And for a long time now, I've been sending you emails about job openings and employers and all kinds of career related stuff. And starting in 2026, that's going to change. So, why am I telling you about all this? Well, 20 years ago, I started a company called Applicant Pro, and I built it from zero to more than 10,000 companies using it to hire people. And I also built a team from one part time mom to almost 300. So it's fair to say that I've spent most of my adult life inside of the hiring world. About 10 years ago, I started Refer.io, platform designed to help job seekers find better jobs. And well, that's why you get emails from me. I live at the intersection of how companies hire, how people look for work, and where those two things break down. And well, change is coming, and that's why I'm changing how I'm approaching all of you as subscribers to my job alerts. Because there's these huge changes that are coming in 2026 to the job market. There's going to be more layoffs and unemployment. There's going to be changes to how work gets done, especially with AI, to what employers expect. And I'm genuinely concerned that most people aren't ready. I have my own three kids, they're all 20 somethings, and I'm concerned they aren't ready. So you might be wondering what changed for me. Well, 3 years ago, I stepped down as CEO of Applicant Pro and sold my company. And since then, I've spent those last 3 years deep inside of AI. I don't mean from a hype perspective, not from a tech bro angle, literally from the perspective of normal workers, job seekers, managers, teams, and how AI actually shows up in real work. Honestly, I don't know many people that have spent more time using AI than me. I'm one of the top 1% of users of ChatGPT. I've spent over 6,000 hours using ChatGPT, along with teaching it to thousands of people, teachers, professors, HR people, real estate agents, you name it, and building everything from chatbots to voice bots to automations, even vibe coding entire software platforms. And I bet right now, all of this AI stuff feels really confusing. What I see everywhere is confusion. There's hype about what it can do, there's fear that it's going to replace our jobs, there's backlash about the power it consumes, but mostly there's confusion. If you're a high school or college student, you're being told tools like ChatGPT are cheating and plagiarism. At the same time, you're hearing that AI skills will be required to get a job, and that's a huge contradiction. How are you going to learn it? If you're already working, it's not much clearer. Maybe your boss says that you can't use AI at all, even though other companies are. Or your boss says we all need to use AI, but you can tell they don't really know how to use it themselves. Or maybe you've tried it yourself and well, it didn't live up to the hype. You're basically left wondering, is this even real? Is this overblown? Do I need to care? Should I be learning how to use it? And honestly, who would teach me? Who's going to pay for it? So here's the part that no one is really saying out loud. AI is already far more capable than most people realize. The gap isn't between people who have AI and people who don't. The gap is between everybody who's using it, which is like 90% of all people, and those who know how to use it really well. And that gap between the best users and the average user is widening every month. Most people use it like first graders. They use it like a search engine and they get back first grade responses. So they assume AI isn't very good and it's not a threat to their job. But other people like me, well, we use it like MBA graduates and see how it can make us 5 to 10 times more effective. This gap between power users and entry level users is going to make the difference between those who do really well in the economy coming up and those who struggle and are unprepared for jobs of the future. So, what is it that I'm actually building? Well, in 2026, I'm launching something new. I call it the AI Jumpstart program. It's part of a nonprofit initiative through Refer.io called the AI Readiness Project. This isn't a course, it isn't certification, it's not about making you all become programmers or vibe coders. It's a 90-day jumpstart program designed to help you learn how to use AI to do real work as a professional, regardless of the job you do now. And then to build a rhythm where you can keep up to date with all the things that are changing and how to continue to progress your skills. So, what would actually be different for you? Well, over the next few months, I'm going to teach you how the people in the top 1% actually use AI, how to think with it, not just ask it questions, how to apply it to real work that your boss will care about, how to be safe with it so you don't expose company secrets and get fired, how to explain security to your boss so they understand why you would want to use it, how to pitch pilots to your boss so they'll let you use it at work and prove how good you are, and how to show proof of what you can do so you can go get a new job if your boss doesn't understand the value you now bring as an AI person. This isn't theory. I'm not doing demos. I'm going to teach you real use cases and help you actually build real capabilities and confidence using AI at work. And I'm not asking you for any money. There is no hidden catch. There is no call to action. Let me tell you how it actually works without overwhelming you. Number one, we'll go through short, focused videos with a hand on exercise, and I'll expect you to go do the homework. And then we'll have live group conversations. You'll try things, you'll see how it works, you'll share and do show and tell with other people. You'll talk through it. This isn't about memorizing, it's by learning by doing. You might also be wondering, why is this free? Well, it's a nonprofit effort. I'm doing this because I don't believe that access to AI literacy should depend on money, especially when schools and employers, well, they're not teaching it yet either. There's no upsell, there's no hidden catch, there's no upgrade course, no upgrade mastermind, none of that stuff. So, what am I actually asking from you? Well, there is one catch, and this is the only thing I'm asking in return. Don't do this alone. The reason isn't just accountability or motivation or that learning with friends is funner. It's much more practical than that. As AI tools are being used to apply for jobs, the number of applicants per job is exploding. Hundreds of people, even sometimes thousands, are applying to every single job. Trust me, I know because I manage all that. It's becoming almost impossible for HR people to get through all of the resumes they receive, which means your resume is being buried underneath thousands of unqualified ones. That's why referrals and networks matter more than ever. Most jobs aren't filled by the best resume. They're filled by someone who's known, trusted, or recommended. You need to be an employee referral. It increases your chances by 10 times of getting an interview. So here's what changes when you learn AI with others. If you start learning how to use AI at work with other people, you're no longer just someone looking for a job. You become someone known for learning fast, someone known for using AI well, someone who can show value, not just claim they know how to do it. When you learn together, apply it together, show your work together, that group becomes your signal. In the future of work, skills land you the job, but only if you have someone to get your foot in the door. That's why I'm asking you to invite a friend or a few. Form a small study group, not as homework, but because this is one of the most reliable ways to unlock your next opportunity, the way people get hired as it continues to change. So let me leave you with this. No one is forcing you to be here. No one's forcing you to learn AI. No one's telling you you have to. This isn't about fear. It's about being prepared instead of surprised when suddenly the job market shifts. If this resonates, stay. If it doesn't, that's okay too. But if you felt like something is shifting and no one's explained it clearly, you're in the right place because I can tell you exactly what the world of work looks like in the future. So watch your email in the next few days for your first AI lesson and start talking to your friends and family about it so that you'll have your own study group. That's your first project and your first piece of homework. Find 5 friends, get them together and say, hey, we're going to learn AI together.